Introducing the Leather Doctor, a fantastic mobile leather and vinyl repair and cleaning franchise, Perth, Western Australia. If you're searching for the perfect franchise opportunity, you found it. The Leather Doctor is Australia's largest mobile leather and vinyl repair network. The Leather Doctor has been recognised by the Franchise Council of Australia as one of the top franchises in the country for 3 years running. This new franchise opportunity gives you the licence to exclusively trade within a large territory in Perth, large enough for a future subdivision. The service provides clients with professional cleaning, repair, restoration and recolouring of items made from leather and vinyl. Franchisees come from a wide variety of backgrounds, including banking, IT, trades, sales, postal services and the mining industry. No experience is necessary, as the Leather Doctor's comprehensive training program equips you with the necessary skills to successfully complete work. With very little competition and low franchise fees, you'll feel a real sense of ownership. The Leather Doctor's professionally developed advertising and proven lead generation marketing tools will be made readily available to you. And being a mobile service, there's no need to pay for or maintain a retail space, which will keep your overheads low. The Leather Doctor isn't just a franchise, it's a community of business people who support each other. So be quick to secure your territory.